While we're letting our chop saute, we're going to come back to our bacon, which should be cool by now. We'll remove our 4 pieces. Then we'll dice them. I'm going to measure out half a cup of breadcrumbs, and we'll add that to some shredded cheese. About 3/4 of a cup is what you want. We'll stir this all together. And once it is mixed up, we're going to go back into the oven and remove our au gratin, and then we're just going to sprinkle this all over the top. And then we're going to bake it until the cheese is melted, probably about another 10 minutes.